So, purpose, we're discussing your driving force. Why do you do what you do? Why are you pastoring? Why are you a minister of the gospel? Why are you into this thing? And when will you stop? There were some who expected me to stop somewhere along the line when my eyes were clear. They thought that by the time my eyes were clear, I would stop this my jumping around. But it's been many years now, my eyes are still not clear in that way. Because my eyes were already clear. Hallelujah. Did you ever know anybody waiting for you to calm down? Let me begin with some negative driving forces so that we can start clearing in our minds. Why do people do what they do? Doesn't matter what they do, whether it's a profession, whether they have moved to live in a certain place, whether it's about the church they go to. Why do you go to that church? Why do you do this or that? Why did you move to that city? Like some of you who have enrolled for some online courses that you are doing right now. Why are you doing the online course you are doing? Don't be so quiet now. Why are you doing what you're doing? Let's look at some negative driving forces. The one that comes ahead of the list for me here is fear. There are different kinds of fear. Fear of failure, fear of the future, fear of man, fear. A lot of times they can't even define what they are afraid of. Fear you might not be accepted. Fear of rejection. See it? People who have fear of rejection. But something about, can we read Proverbs chapter 29 and verse 25? Read it for me. It's on the screen. 1, 2, go. The fear of man bringeth what? A snare, a trap. But anybody who puts his trust in the Lord shall be safe.